Google is one of the most popular websites in the world, with billions of searches conducted every day. Users can enter keywords or phrases into the search box on google.com and receive a list of relevant web pages, images, videos, and other content from around the internet. For example, I want to buy a pen drive, so I will go to Google and search "buy pen drive." After searching with this keyword, here are the all websites listed in the world. They all sell pen drives. Also, you can see here the sponsored website links. If I click on here, it will go to this website. After clicking on a sponsored link, immediately and automatically, Google will take payment from the website owner, who are running ads for this website. But, if I click here and open this website, for this website owner, no need to pay or spend money. Because of SEO, they came to the Google first page result only for SEO. If anybody wants to buy something, they will Google it, and they will stay on the first page. 95% of people stay on the first page, and only 5% of people can go to the second page. Once a person creates a website, it never gets ranked on Google automatically. So, if you want to do off-page SEO properly for your website, you can hire an expert freelancer from nasa.com.